And now if I go to the home page and I want to edit the page, I can say edit with Elementor. I click over here and now we are going to create our home page. So if we take a look at Elementor, here at the left we can add elements and here we can add new sections. I will walk you through it step by step, and at the end of this tutorial you have a great understanding of the Elementor Page Builder. So first we need a section. I click on it and in that section I can select my structure, 1 column or 2 or 5, and I want to start with a header. So I want to start with 1 column. I click over here and here it is. There are 3 parts in the section. We have the section itself. Within the section we have columns. We can have 1 column or 2 columns or 3 columns. And in those columns we can add elements. So if I click on the plus, I see an overview of the elements, and all those elements we can use. This is by far the best free page builder I know. It has a pro version, but I'm going to show you what you can do with the free version. So I want to remove the columns. I want to have only 1 column, so I hover over here. I remove this column. I hover over here and I remove this column. And if I want to go to the settings of the section, I go to this blue area, to this icon, and I click on it. And here at the left, I can edit the section settings. The sections, columns, and elements have 3 parts: the layout, the style, and advanced. Over here at layout, I can stretch the section. I want the section or the background in the section to go full white. If I press Command minus, 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 I want the section not to be from here until here, but full white, like that. And now it's from the left of the page to the right. Command 0. The content I want to be between the logo and the contact element. So I leave it as boxed. And I want to add a background. So I click on style. I can add a color as a background, or a gradient, or a video. And I want to use an image for now. So I click on classic and on image.